Welcome to an oven cake and cookies. Today we are making winter special Gobi Pakora. Crispy on the outside, soft inside, and perfect for chilly evenings. Let's start the recipe. Take one cauliflower and cut it into medium pieces. Pakoras are most popular during winter and rainy season. Gobi Pakora is a favorite street snack across South Asia. Add 1 teaspoon salt to water. Pour in the cauliflower and wash well. Now boil some water. Add half teaspoon salt and blanch the cauliflower for 2 minutes. Blanching cauliflower helps remove raw smell and softens it. Drain and keep aside. Do not overboil the cauliflower. 2 minutes is enough. In a bowl, add 1/3 cup rice flour, 1/4 cup gram flour, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black salt, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Pour half cup water and mix well to make a thick batter. Rice flour adds extra crispiness to pakoras. Keep the batter thick so it coats the cauliflower well. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon corn flour over the boiled cauliflower and mix. Sprinkle corn flour before battering for a crunchy outer layer. Dip each piece into the batter. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness. Cauliflower is rich in fiber and antioxidants. Ginger and garlic help digestion during winter. Fried green chilies for extra flavor. Homemade pakoras use cleaner oil than street version. Eating warm snacks in winter helps maintain body heat. Your winter special Gobi Pakora is crispy, spicy and ready to enjoy. Serve it hot with chutney or tea. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more winter comfort snacks.